Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Medicare Part A only. First, let's understand eligibility. Most individuals qualify for premium-free Part A if they or their spouse worked and paid Medicare taxes for at least 10 years. You also need to be a United States citizen or a legal resident for at least 5 years. Generally, you must be 65 years old or have specific disabilities to be eligible for this essential coverage. Knowing when to enroll is crucial. Your initial enrollment period, or EAP, starts 3 months before your 65th birthday. It includes your birthday month and extends for 3 months afterward, giving you a 7-month window. If you miss your IEP, you can enroll during the general enrollment period, which runs from January 1st to March 31st each year, with coverage starting July 1st. Signing up for Part A is straightforward. If you are already receiving Social Security or Railroad Retirement Board benefits, you will typically be automatically enrolled in both Part A and Part B. If not, you can easily apply online through the Social Security Administration's official website. Alternatively, you can call Social Security directly or visit one of their local offices to complete your application in person. Before finalizing your decision, consider these key points. Most individuals do not pay a monthly premium for Medicare Part A, making it a valuable benefit. However, remember that Part A primarily covers hospital stays and skilled nursing care. It does not cover doctor visits or outpatient services. Delaying enrollment without other creditable health coverage could lead to late enrollment penalties, so plan carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.